Hello everybody, hope you're having a great day today. What I wanted to do, I got a Guidesman multi-function tool, about like a Gerber or Leatherman, just a cheap version of it. I gave $10 for this one. It's supposed to be titanium plated stainless steel, a 12-in-1. It says it has long nose pliers, wire cutters, clip point knife, serrated blade, wood saw, Phillips screwdriver, a slotted screwdriver, a hook remover, an awl, a bottle opener, can opener, a file. It's supposed to be stainless steel blades and tools, lightweight aluminum handle, and it's supposed to be a heavy duty nylon pouch with belt loops included. Supposed to be a lifetime warranty on it. But with lifetime warranties on stuff like this, I've found it's about as cheap to go buy you a new one, because by the time you send it in and you pay the return shipping to get it back to you, you're gonna end up pretty much being able to go pick you a new one up. But the pouch itself ain't too bad. Usually the Velcro don't last real long on them if you use them much. Got their little name on it, Guidesman. The looks of it ain't too bad. I like the camouflage cover of it. I've used this a little bit so far before I'm doing this video. The pliers ain't too bad on it. Got the little wire cutters, which is right in there. The blades, this blade ain't too bad. I just used it to cut down a little limb for my next video that I'm going to be doing. It works pretty good. Knife blade, it's not too bad. I don't think they'll hold a very good edge because it's just cheap made overall. But it's got that blade on there, the little Phillips screwdriver on this one, which my biggest issue with these, nothing locks open on it. And this blade, bit, every time you go to use it and turn it, it wants to fold down on you. Plus, I can't get that to hold in any Phillips type screws anyway. So this part is pretty much junk. On the other side of it, it's got a little cheap file, which ain't too bad. Pretty much use it to file your fingernails. Other than that, I guess you really couldn't use it for much. Got a bottle opener on it. That works pretty good. I used it to open a few bottles so far, but got a straight screwdriver bit on it. Same problem as the Phillips. You can't keep it open. And where it's so rounded right here, it don't even hold when you go to try to loosen a screw with it. This blade is serrated. It works pretty good for cutting. So I like it. These blades work pretty good because when you're cutting, you're putting pressure down with it, so there ain't no chance of it closing, unlike the screwdriver blades. But I guess for a $10 multi-tool, you can't really complain too much. You're getting pretty much what you paid for. I plan on getting me another Gerber, which will have the blades where they lock open. I had like 3 so far. I'm really rough on these tools because I use them so much. But I guess if you want a cheap multi-tool and you're not going to use it a lot, this would be worth getting. But if you're going to use one a lot, get you a Gerber or a Leatherman. And other than that, I ain't got much to say on it. So comment, subscribe, like my videos, and catch me on the next one, guys. Bye.